I really know.
Las Vegas. On the set of Penn and Teller Fool Us, Markobi begins his routine. A few seconds pass, and suddenly, Teller bursts out laughing.
Yeah, we also.
Much more than a polite smile or a courtesy laugh. A real, raw, and uncontrollable laugh. One of the very few rare times that it happened in decades. What in that exact moment triggered it? What truly makes magic work? Those are the questions that have always obsessed Markobi. Markobi explores how to maximize a magical atmosphere, with or without your character. You'll go through items like the square theories, and study how to put your magic in the atmosphere, in the rhythm, in the humor, in those instants where the spectator's brain just feels the moment. A kind of magic where, sometimes, the spectator has only one possible reaction. Markobi, world champion of card magic, shares a rare vision here. A living, free form of magic.
On other accounts, this is a saying, so I just need that. We don't need that. Yeah, this is a king of.
Markobi also takes you behind the scenes of his magic, with the full explanation of his favorite card routine. How to Make Teller Laugh is a book to understand what makes an organic moment, rather than a trick. If you want to understand what truly makes an audience react, then you're exactly where you need to be. And who knows, maybe one day, you too will make Teller laugh.